Hi guys, this is me Chetna, a dentist who chose Sunset Silver Clinics. Okay, so one of the most common questions I get is how do you even get the confidence to get a solo trip abroad yourself? So honestly, if you knew me before this trip, you would know कि मैं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करती. And today I want to share exactly how I reached that point because I know a lot of you are probably thinking about it but don't know where to start. Basically, I grew up in Delhi NCR, okay? And if you are a woman from here, you will get what I'm saying. So we are used to those deadlines, restrictions, and constantly being watched. The environment actually pushed me towards wanting that freedom. But at the same time, it also made me scared. Like, how am I supposed to suddenly just pack my bags and travel abroad? So that's where the journey to build confidence started for me, and it wasn't an overnight journey for sure. So my first step was super simple. Start doing small things alone. ठीक है, जैसे like going for a movie by yourself, eating out alone. पहले थोड़ा awkward feel होगा, I'll be honest, but you feel like everyone's staring at you. But the truth is, nobody really cares. Like, सच बता रही हूँ, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You know, these small wins can actually make you confident for handling something like this. So, most importantly, if you are someone who is scared, like genuinely scared to be alone, don't jump straight to a 7-day foreign trip. Like, start small. Practice being by yourself at least. कि आप एक दिन के लिए, 2 दिन के लिए, take short, small trips, even within your own country or your own city. Don't just, jump to a conclusion too, just like me. I was confident, okay. I am not really a person who is a bit awkward in handling those things. जब आप अकेले बैठ के you have to eat a meal. I'm not that person. The second big thing was choosing the right first country. I didn't go for something very difficult, ठीक है. I picked Thailand for a reason. Why? Because it's beginner friendly, ठीक है. Safe है, Indians पहुंच जाते हैं वहाँ पे. Affordable है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा इशू नहीं होगा. So many things to do in Thailand, like island hopping and everything. Like, you can just choose based on what you actually want to do. The most safest country, I think, nearest to India is Dubai. You can plan a trip to there. It's like Vietnam is safe. Even you can plan for Sri Lanka. Such places are like really safe. And I'll tell you why is it so important. Because अगर आपकी पहली trip, you plan it to somewhere which is not really safe or does not go as per your plan, you'll come back feeling like, yeah, this is not my cup of tea. But if that first thing went well, you want to go back again. I'm not gonna lie, planning gave me half the confidence. So I literally researched everything. मतलब कहाँ रुकना है, airport कितना दूर है मेरे स्टे से, what kind of transport I'll take, और backup plans कुछ गलत हो जाए तो. I researched on everything, and I had hard copies for all my things like stays and everything. And I also shared my itinerary with my family. I had downloaded those Google Maps offline. So basically I tried to remove as many what ifs as possible, and that made me feel like, okay, even if I'm alone, I'm not clueless. मतलब at least इतना तो पता ही हुआ. Step 4 is safety system, which reason why women hesitate. And so what I did, I'll tell you. मैंने hotels जो है ना basically central या थोड़े ऐसे areas में choose करे थे, which is not too isolated. Also मैं अपने backup रखती थी, like for cash and for cards. I already had a backup plan that what if anything could go wrong, I had a backup plan. And WhatsApp live location was always on. So it sounds simple, but honestly when you have these safety systems, you don't overthink as much because you are prepared. Okay, कुछ गलत हो भी जाए, you know that in your head that you are prepared, and then the confidence comes automatically. Next step is mindset shift abroad. So the funniest thing is, the moment I actually land in a new country, I feel like I'm a different person. Like whatever I want. मैं कैब बुक कर सकती हूँ होटल में 9 बजे 10 बजे without feeling that panic. And I realized that half of my fear was just in my head from years of living in an environment where we are told to be scared all the time. Like, that first day itself gave me that confidence that yes, I can do this. Next is encouragement. So if you are watching this and thinking, I don't have confidence to solo travel yet, just know that it's not about suddenly waking up one day and suddenly being fearless. It's about building it step by step. Just trust yourself a little. Once you take that first trip, your confidence just shoots up like nothing else. You start seeing yourself so differently. So yeah, that's how I got the confidence to make my first solo trip as a woman. So if you are also planning your first trip, I hope this video helps you. And if you want me to make a separate video on how to choose your first solo destination or some safety hacks that I used, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe me on this channel because I'll be sharing a lot more honest travel content. Bye bye.